children, how are you? I hope that everybody are staying home and staying safe. And this is your Saubhagya Madam, and we are ready for the new academic session. Okay, up to now we were studying about magnets, playing with magnets. You know what are magnets and what are the properties do the magnets contain? Yes, children. I hope you have understood all the videos up to now what we have taught about magnets and how the earth is behaving like a magnet. Okay. Now we will also learn many other things about other property of a magnet. The magnets are also showing one more important property. It is nothing but magnetic induction. Magnetic induction. What is this magnetic induction? We know if we take a bar magnet or any kind of magnet, if you keep this magnet near the magnetic material, like iron, zinc, cobalt, so what it will do? It will attract the materials. Yes? Correct. So, what is this magnetic induction? Induction means indulging or giving it. What is the meaning of induction? Induction means giving it or indulging. So, in what way the magnets are giving this magnetic force to other objects is nothing but the magnetic induction. See, as you know that there are many objects which have been attracted by the magnet. If that attracted magnet is having a capability to attract another object, then the first object is said to be magnetized. The first object is said to be magnetized. How is this happening? First, let us see the definition, then we will check out. So, what is magnetic induction? Magnetic property possessed by a magnetic substance due to the presence of a magnet near it is called magnetic induction. It means that any material which is showing the property like a magnet because of a magnet which is placed near this object. Okay, children, I think you will have a little confusion here. Now, if we do an experiment, then we can identify what is this magnetic induction. Okay, children. See on the board. To do an activity, we require these things. First one, take a bar magnet. Next, nail and a safety pin. In this one, the bar magnet itself is a magnet, you know. So, this have a property of attraction and repulsion. Yes, children? So, the attraction is more near the poles and less near in the middle. We know that. That is the reason why it is showing the magnetic property. Okay, see, the stronger the poles, the magnetic force or the property of attraction is more near the poles. Either it could be south pole or it could be north pole. Now, a nail. A nail is a material which can be attracted by a magnet. Example, the nails are made up of iron. Yes, children? The nails are made up of iron. So, definitely iron is attracted by a magnet. Correct? Now, come to the safety pin. The general safety pin which you have at your home. This safety pin is made up of steel. So, this safety pin is made up of steel. This steel safety pin also can be attracted by the magnet. Okay. The safety pin can also be attracted by the magnet. Now, we will see how this magnet and these magnetized or the materials which are having a magnetic property will show this magnetic induction. Okay, children? Okay, see, we will see the example here, like we want a magnet and a nail and a safety pin. I have a magnet in my hand, right? I have taken a safety pin and also a nail. Okay. As you know, the nail is made up of iron. Definitely it will attracted by the magnet. See, when I bring this towards the magnet, it can get attached to the magnet, right? Very good. Now we will see with the safety pin. Safety pin is also stainless steel, but still it is having a capacity to get attached to the magnet. Okay. Now we will see the main point. When a magnet is taken, I attach this nail like this, and now I kept the safety pin near the nail. What it is happening? Because of the magnetic capacity which is flowing in this nail, that is the reason why this safety pin is attached to the nail. If I remove this magnet, if I remove the magnet from the nail, what will happen? The safety pin will fall down. So this is nothing but the magnet is showing some induction, or it is giving some magnetic induction to the nail and the safety pin. If you are having these things at your home, you can try them at your home. Take a bar magnet, a nail and a pin. So whenever you are making this bar magnet come near to the nail will go and attach to the bar magnet. And if you keep this safety pin near the nail, it will get attached to this nail. If you remove this magnet, the nail will detach the safety pin. What is the reason? Here the nail is acting as a conductor in the middle for both the pin and the bar. Whenever the nail is attached to the magnet, because of the magnetic induction or the magnetic force flowing through the nail, is also making the safety pin to come and get attached to the nail. This is simply, we can say that, magnetic induction. Once again we will read the statement. Magnetic property possessed by a magnetic substance due to the presence of a magnet near it is called magnetic induction. If I remove the magnet from here, this nail is simply a metal. If I attach this magnet to the nail, this safety pin can be attached to the nail just because of the magnetic induction. So this is also an important property which is shown by the magnets. Okay, children? Very good. I hope, children, you have understood what is the magnetic induction property. So by this we have finished our lesson, and now let us learn what all things we have learned up to now. See, first one, the different types of magnets. What are the different types of magnets? These are generally man-made magnets. Okay, these are man-made magnets. What are these? They are bar magnet, horseshoe magnet and disc magnet. What are they? They are bar magnet, horseshoe magnet and disc magnet. These are generally used in different purposes, and there are also other shapes and sizes of the magnet. The size and shape of the magnets vary always. Okay. Next one. Natural magnets. What are the natural magnets? In the Earth's atmosphere, we are having a natural magnet that is nothing but the lodestone. The lodestone is the only natural magnet that is found in the Earth's surface. Next, what we have learned? We have learned about the magnetic compass. The magnetic compass is made by using the property of the bar magnet. Okay, and we can use this magnetic compass in different ways. We have already learned about that. So how the mountaineers have been helped, how the army people and the people who are moving on the ships and aeroplanes, in what way this magnet has been helpful for those people. And as you know that the magnets contain properties, they contain different properties. What are those properties? the directional property. In this directional property, I have done an experiment clearly. If you hung a bar magnet, what will happen, children? In which position it will stop? Always the directional property, any magnet you can take, either it could be bar magnet or anything, it will always show you the north and south direction when it is stopped. Okay, so the directional property is mainly shown by the magnet. Next, attractive and repulsive property. So when the unlike poles come together, they will attract. When the unlike poles come together, they will attract. When the like poles come together, they will repel. So the repulsion and the attraction is also shown by the magnets. Okay. Always bipolar. As I said that the magnet contains how many poles, children? How many poles it contains? Yes, correct. It contains only two poles. One is the north pole and another one is the south pole. If you take a big magnet, it contains same north and south. If you make the big magnet into pieces, if you break them, what will happen? Each and every magnet or each and every piece behaves like a magnet. Every piece, how much small the magnet is, definitely the magnet shows bipolar. It will always contain a north pole and a south pole. There is never unipolarity. Okkate pole ekkada undadu. Any magnet, if you break the magnet also, each piece of the magnet will show two poles, north pole and the south pole. This is a specific unique feature of the magnet. Next one, Earth as a magnet. As you know, Earth also consists of gravitational force. The Earth also exhibits the magnetic force. The Earth is surrounded by the magnetic field, which is attracting the objects towards it. When you go deep into the subject, it is a very great subject. At this standard, you have to learn that Earth also exhibits the properties of a magnet. So, the Earth itself is called as a giant huge bar magnet, so that it is having the properties such as the magnet. Okay. What else? The magnetic induction. The magnetic induction. As you know, whenever any metal which is attracted by the magnet, it has a capacity to hold another material when a bar magnet is placed near to it. If you take a magnetic material and you put a bar magnet near it, the magnet will take the magnetic force from the bar magnet and it itself behaves as a magnet. So this property is called as magnetic induction. Magnetic induction. So playing with magnets is a great fun, children. And I also said to you about how to magnetize a nail. Means how to prepare our own magnet by using a bar magnet. First one. Second one, we can also prepare our own compass. How we are using the magnetized needle to prepare a compass. Okay, that is one more activity. And you can freely suspend a magnet to find out the directional property of a magnet. So you have to perform. If you want to learn more about these magnets, directly you understand the subject first and then you perform these activities so that you can clearly understand what is magnet and what are the properties that are shown by the magnet. So the magnets are very powerful and they are very useful, and nowadays the man-made magnets are being used mostly in the different areas, the scientific researches, or in the many areas they are being used. So in the next higher classes you will learn more about this magnet and how it is useful for producing electricity or something like that. Okay, so now we will see the hard words, children. We will learn the hard words so that they are very important for you. Okay. Hello children. Now we will see the hard words. Okay, now let us learn them. First one, magnet. Repeat it after me, children. M-A-G-N-E-T, magnet. M-A-G-N-E-T, magnet. Okay. Now the second one, magnetic compass. Magnetic compass. M-A-G-N-E-T-I-C, magnetic. C-O-M-P-A-S-S, compass. Magnetic compass. Magnetic induction. What it is, children? Magnetic induction. M-A-G-N-E-T-I-C, magnetic induction. I-N-D-U-C-T-I-O-N, magnetic induction. The next one is attraction. What it is, children? Attraction. A-T-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N, attraction. Next one, repulsion. What it is, children? Repulsion. R-E-P-U-L-S-I-O-N, repulsion. Next one, magnetization. M-A-G-N-A-T-I-S-A-T-I-O-N, magnetization. Next one, iron filings. I-R-O-N, iron. F-I-L-I-N-G-S, filings, iron filings. Okay, children, I hope that you have understood the hard words and you know what are these hard words, and try to write them at least each word 3 times and learn the spellings, and think about each and every word and what you have understood from the given word. Now let us repeat them once again. Repeat them after me. Magnet. Magnet. Next one, magnetic compass. Magnetic compass. Magnetic induction. Magnetic induction. Attraction. Attraction. Repulsion. Repulsion. Magnetization. Magnetization. Iron filings. Iron filings. Okay, children, write them each word 3 times. This is your homework for this video, and try to recollect all the before videos and go through the textbook. If you once give a reading in your textbook, you will understand what is the lesson that I have taught and in what way you have to understand that. Okay, children, it will be very easy for you if you give a textbook reading, as we always do in the school. Try to go through the textbook and follow the lesson, and try to underline the hard words if you find anything in the textbook. Try to do all the activities at your home individually so that you will learn more about science, especially about the magnets. That's all for this video, and let us meet with another video very soon. Take care, children. Thank you.